Hey, hope you're having a great day so far. Today is December 27th, Sunday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets before diving into Yearn Finance, YFIUSD, and see how that could be affected by Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me. So I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit as of today, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets first. Most importantly, I do like to take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Tells me where the money could be trending into, whether it be Bitcoin or altcoins. Currently, we do have Bitcoin dominance still over 70%, but it has pulled back quite a bit since it hit about 72% as of yesterday or earlier today, and now it's down almost 1%. Now, let's zoom in a little bit and see that possible bearish divergence I've been talking about on yesterday's post very clearly on the 6-hour time frame, and the immediate support right now I am looking at is about the 4-hour 21 simple moving average, and finally next the 6-hour 21 simple moving average. When Bitcoin dominance trends downwards, this tells me I am more confident that I am trading in altcoin markets as opposed to if Bitcoin dominance is trending upwards, as you guys have seen earlier this week. When Bitcoin dominance trends upwards, Bitcoin price action pulls back, brought a lot of the altcoins down with it, double-digit losses. So this is what I'm looking out for before even looking into any altcoin market charts. Let's take a look into the hourly time frame where I do see that Bitcoin dominance is running within a rising channel pattern. If the price action actually falls below the 4-hour 21 simple moving average, like I said, this would tell me that the price action has fallen out of this pattern, and it could actually start a more downtrend in Bitcoin dominance, which is what I'm looking for if I want to trade altcoins. Now let's take a look into Bitcoin price action, see what exactly is going on in here. Bitcoin price action, since it has actually reached another all-time high at about 28.4K. Now pulling back, immediate support would be the hourly 50 simple moving average at about 26K. And then following by the 4-hour 21 simple moving average, really fast approaching at about 25K. Now when Bitcoin price action pulls back, while Bitcoin dominance is trending downwards, it matters less as opposed to if Bitcoin dominance is trending upwards. But I'm still not going to lose sight of what could be going on in these two markets before diving into any altcoin charts, because things could change very fast. Now let's take a look into Yearn Finance YFIUSD, see what exactly has gone on since the last time we have spoken. Since the last time we have spoken, I did mention that the bearish case scenario, which is playing out right now and has been playing out for the past day, was for the daily candle to start closing back below the 50 simple moving average. This would tell me that the price action is getting closer back to the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern, very bearish pattern. Theoretical measure breakout would be about 12K. Let's see if YFI can actually negate this complete breakdown. So since last time we have spoken, since price action on YFI has actually bounced off about 18K and then back up on the daily 50 simple moving average, and of course back up of the back above the 22K neckline right here, it has taken a little bit of a detour in closing back down below the 50 simple moving average right here on the daily time frame. Now a lot of these moving averages that could be acting as overhead resistance from the hourly time frame up is between about 26K still and the price action right now. So if we actually take a look on the hourly time frame, most of the hourly time frames are acting as immediate resistance right now under under 25K here. On the 4 hour, the highest moving average is about 25.5K. On the 6 hours, about 24.8, downward sloping. So by the time price action continues, those moving averages may be a little bit below where they are right now, as they were downward sloping right now. I think the highest that I'm actually seeing is the 50 simple moving average on the 12 hour, downward sloping as well. So it could be closer to the price action by the time, as time goes on in the next couple of hours, or even a couple of 12-hour candles actually. And then the daily time frame, which is what I'm focusing on, because the daily 21 simple moving average has been the signal telling me of whether this trend is downwards or reversing, going upwards. Okay, so whenever the daily candle here actually stays above the daily 21 simple moving average, I'll be more confident that there's going to be more upward price action in the market. However, we have to stay above the daily 21 simple moving average in order for me to have that opinion. Now, let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenario as that is my evaluation of the market right now. Bullish case scenario still has not changed. First of all, I have to get back above the daily 50 simple moving average and then the daily 21 simple moving average to completely invalidate this head and shoulders pattern. In my opinion, would actually for us to get a close at about the 30K level. This would invalidate this head and shoulders pattern here completely. Now that is the bullish case scenario. Let me reiterate. First of all, get a close, daily candle close above the 50 simple moving average, and then the daily 21 simple moving average, okay? And then to completely invalidate this head and shoulders pattern for us to get a daily candle close at about the 30K level. Bearish case scenario, we're very close to that right now, is for us to actually start getting daily candle closes below the 22K level, which is the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern. If that is the case, the next levels of support I'm looking at would be the 3-day 21 simple moving average, which I expected to be pretty strong support. And looking at the past two candles right now, it does tell me there's still quite a bit of bullish behavior, as the previous 3-day candle was able to actually push the price down to about 18.4K. And then this 3-day candle, the sellers are only able to push it down to about 19.9K, telling me that the seller strength, at least currently, is weakening. So if the daily candle starts closing below the 22K, I'm looking at the 3-day 21 simple moving average, which is very close to the 22K level, and then finally the 20K level as key supports. So this is my very short analysis on YFI today and the bullish and bearish case scenarios. Let me reiterate the bearish case scenario. If the daily candle starts closing below the 22K neckline level, the next levels of support I'm looking at as key support will be the 3-day 21 simple moving average, which seems to be pretty good support right now, but it could change. And then finally the 20K level. If those do not hold, this breakdown of this head and shoulders pattern is looking a lot more likely. So these are my updates for YFIUSD. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear from you. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.